Hello everyone, am I audible? Show your thumbs up if you all can hear me. Thumbs up with a buddy wali smile. We always start our work with smile, and I really want this to understand and absorb very well that whenever you are going to get started with some work, you will start it with a big smile. It's very, very important, okay? And today we are going to cover up your favorite art form, and yeah, one confusion I'm going to clear today. And our students are very much confused between mandala and doodle. Because they look same, like in doodle also we use freestyle patterns, mandala also we use freestyle patterns, and many times they are very much confused. And definitely it would be happening with you too. Yes, how many of you get confused? Many of you, है ना? So today's artwork I will try to show with help of drawing that what is mandala, what is doodle, what are the similarities and what is difference between. Okay, so we are going to learn a beautiful drawing which is completely made based on fusion of mandala and doodle art. Okay, so chalo, without delay we will get started with. You can see a compass kept on my file. So if you don't have compass, then in that case you can use circles, है ना? Different circles, one after another, you can use them inside and make rings. Okay. Before starting my class, I want to welcome all new children. I can see so many new artists today with me. I'm very thankful and grateful to Almighty God that our family is increasing and expanding day by day, and we all are learning together. It's a learning process together. So let's grow together in this field of creativity. So chalo, without delay, let's get started. So here the very first thing, you will decide how to use your paper. You can see I have given you full view of the file. I kept my paper vertically. So turn your paper vertically and take a pencil and mark your center. We need circles of different size. Mark a center. Come on, do this. Okay, and yeah, mark a center. And as we are going to get started with our sketching part, so I really want all of you to understand how to hold your pencil. You know, normally for making drawing, we hold our pencil tight. We hold our pencil this way, but this is not the way to hold your pencil while making drawing. You will hold your pencil loose, because the moment you hold your pencil loose, you will see your lines will be very light, lines will be very rhythmic and flowy. है ना? So I want to check this. है ना? Although this is a very small part of drawing, but it is very important, because this is going to decide like what is going to be the complete output. है ना? It will be decided completely on basis of this. So yes, you all will be holding your pencil loose. Can I check? How are you holding your pencil? Yes, perfect. I'm using A4 size paper as I'm getting message. Yes, this is A4 size paper. Now we will start making circles. Okay, we will make circles after circles, and circles, rings after rings for showing our mandala. है ना? We want to show mandala. So what we will do now, we will shift slightly upper side of the center, and we will start making slightly upper side, because in center we want to make Lord Ganesha's face. In Lord Ganesha's face we will use doodle, and for this background circle we will use mandala. So what will happen, you will be able to differentiate, है ना, what is difference between doodle and mandala. So I will shift slightly upper side, and the very first thing I will be making is a big circle. You can see I left little space this side, little this side, and will make a circle. You can, if you don't have compass, you can use any circle of this kind, and taking center you will keep making layers after layers. Okay, so these layers after layers, you know what happened in mandala, your patterns go in parallel layers. है ना? This is the difference between doodle and mandala. Come on, do this. I'll check it. So here we will make rings after rings. Am I clearly audible? Can you hear me? Is my video clearly visible? Because I got a message that video is okay. So see, those who are not able to see my video properly, please check your internet. Many times due to poor internet it happens that you are not able to see me properly. Okay, so please check your internet. So I will make one more ring. So here you can see parallel stripes. For mandala we go in parallel stripes. And these kind of stripes, this kind of circles, rings after rings, where you can see else solar system. Yes, that's why that cosmic impact it has. Stress relieving therapy it is. Mandala art is a stress relieving therapy. Whenever you are depressed or stressed, you simply start making random freestyle patterns in layers and layers, and somewhere it will connect you to cosmic energy. So mandala is having that kind of special impact on body also. Okay, so see, this is the way we complete it. Are rings after rings, and this is slightly upper side, not exactly in center. So in this the patterns will go parallel, and in mandala what happens when you turn your file from any direction, when you will look at mandala pattern, they will look same. Achha, what ways mandala and doodle arts are going to benefit your artwork in competitions, this also I will make clear. So this is going to be a great learning, and here we will connect this artwork with Lord Ganesha's drawing. Okay? So in center we will be making Lord Ganesha. And you will see our Lord Ganesha's face, which you would be making, is going to be absolutely simple. But still it will look more creative and more mature, very mature and very lovely because of that details which you are going to add for making it looking like a masterpiece. Okay? Yes, so rings after rings. Those who are not having this compass, they can simply use circles of different sizes and try to make 3 circles. You can see I left little space this side, and these 3 circles are not exactly in center, slightly upper side. Okay? Yeah. And here this center we have now. From here we will start making our face. Okay? So you will be making your face. First I want to check it. Okay, many students are requesting to wait. I will wait for little more time. Okay? Yes, all of you finish this. And here in abstract art form we will make Lord Ganesha. So our every artwork is having a story behind. Even this artwork, as we are going to cover up Lord Ganesha's artwork, है ना, तो I will love to share, and mandala, है ना, as we are going to cover up mandala, तो I read it somewhere that bhikshus, Bodh bhikshus, they prepare mandala near sand on on beaches with lots of efforts and hard work. They create it, and last day they simply wind up. They simply destroy that mandala art themselves. है ना, just is a reflection that nothing is permanent in this world. है ना, तो I will read much more and will definitely share about. So today we can either talk about Bodh Dharma, that is Lord Buddha, or we can even have the story of Lord Ganesha, or we can have both the stories. So yes, my first story is of Lord Buddha, okay? Because mandala art is somewhere connected with that cosmic power, understanding the power of universe and all. So now what you will do, you will make a straight line here, and here you are going to make a straight, this is your center, you will make a straight line from here. How much big you are going to make? You can make it 4 and 2, 6, it would be too big. 4 and 5 fingers big you can make, and 5 fingers big line. This is quite bigger because you will mark on 5 fingers, and after that it will go further. How much big? 3 fingers more. So overall this is 8 fingers big line. 4 and 4, 8 fingers. Okay, 8 fingers big line you make. And from where I made it, this is my center. I came 1 finger in front and I draw a 8 fingers big line which will go out of the circle. And if your circles are big and this particular measurement is within that circle, then also it's okay. Okay. Today I will be sharing the story of Lord Buddha. है ना, Siddharth, the Lord Buddha, it means wisdom. है ना, so this name was given to Lord Buddha after getting enlightenment. But before that, है ना, we will go in the story of childhood when Buddha was a child. So Buddha was a prince, another son of King Shuddhodhan. Okay? Yes. Okay. Now after this, you will mark a point. After 5 fingers, you will mark a point. Then 3 will be left here. Okay? So this is 5, and now you are going to keep 2 fingers above. Come on, mark 2 fingers. I'm giving a revision. And what I did, this is my center. I came 1 finger here and I draw 8 fingers big line. And now this is the last point where the 8 finger measurement will finish. Then I will put marks. So first mark will come on 2 fingers, mark. Then second mark will come after that 3 fingers, mark. And then remaining 3 fingers. So this way is this complete 8 finger distance we will divide and put different marks. Okay, we are going to draw it today and we will color it next class. Okay, so it is going to be 2-hour class and we will learn fusion of mandala and doodle. And if you have any abstract art based artwork, so you can even try this artwork there too. Okay, now what you will do, you will simply make kind of square or little smaller you can keep. You are going to make a box. You will make a box and you can keep it 2.5 finger big. And this is 3 and this is 2.5. And slightly smaller, not exactly square. Yeah, 2.5. Come on, make a line. Achha, keep knocking to yourself. You will hold your pencil loose. Can I check it? Are you holding your pencil tight? No, no? Yes. You will have to remind yourself because this is very important. If you will hold it loose, then what will happen? Your lines would be very rigid and it will lose its beauty. And same block we are going to make here. We will make a line. This is 2.5 finger big. It will start from inside, 2.5. Okay, I will wait. I will wait. I will go very slow so that you can understand, and little close up view I think will help you. Okay. So now here in middle I will be making Lord Ganesha, and in Lord Ganesha we will use doodle art, and this background circle which we kept here we are going to use mandala art. Okay. So where, how to use doodle, how to use mandala, and what is difference, what is similarities, and what ways it is going to enhance the beauty of your artwork, this all you will be able to understand with one single artwork. Okay? Yeah. So the same kind of rectangle I will make here. I will take a point here, and again this is 2.5, and you can keep it little bigger, slightly bigger than this, and one more rectangle you will make. Hana, so we will make basic structure, and here you can see I am simply making rectangles. This rectangle is going to be face, this rectangle is going to be ear, and this is going to be trunk. Hana, so our artwork is going to be very simple, using geometric shapes for making Lord Ganesha. Okay? And both these are almost of same size. So when the birth of like Shuddhodhan, and Shuddhodhan was blessed with a baby boy, and when the birth happened, Rishi Narad Muni appear and did the forecasting that you are blessed with world, the one who is going to bring enlightenment to the world. But the moment this child will come across a misery, will look or encounter any sad incident, will leave everything, will leave your kingdom and go away from you. So king was very much worried after listening, because he wanted to take charge of kingdom, look after this complete kingdom after him. So he decided he will not let his son encounter any sort of sadness or misery or any uncomfortable situation. Okay? Yeah. Now what you will do, this is the basic structure. Take eraser now and erase all the lines coming here. In this block first, come on, erase this block, and afterwards the another block also. Yeah, this is going to be face. So first, before starting our drawing, we are going to make basic structure. As this is abstract art, so if your squares are little bigger or smaller, it's absolutely fine. So what happened? King Shuddhodhan decided that long walls will be constructed all around kingdom, so that his son can never go out. And teachers were coming inside to teach, and other tutors who were teaching Shastra Vidya, Sangeet, Vedas, and what not, they were coming, but he was not permitted to go out. And although he was very intelligent, in a very small span of time he learned all Vedas and Puranas. He was extremely intelligent and sharp mind child. Now can I check the work? Will you please lift up files and show me how it is done? Shabash, very good. Now let's complete the structure. Now this is the last one. Now you come here slightly inside, and here again you will make a line which will be bigger than this line. It will be straight line. If you want to use scale, you can even take help of scale, okay? Because lines are quite straight, so it is going to be quite bigger, and I will give you the measurement. It is 3.5 fingers, or you can even keep it 3 fingers also. 3 and slightly bigger, 3.5. I will make a line this way. I will make this line double, 11. It will look like 11. So if you want to make Lord Ganesha only, then also you can try this drawing. Here we are going to connect it with doodle. Okay? and you will mark a point here. Okay, I'll wait after every step. You will mark a point here. What I did, I will give a quick revision as I can see in message, read in message. What I did, first I made rings, 3 rings I made. Afterwards, this was the center, I came slightly in front and made 8 fingers big line, which I divided in 2 fingers, then 3 fingers and 3 fingers. And afterwards I took 2.5 fingers and made a rectangle. I made a line slightly below here inside it, and the same size I made one more rectangle. The last point which I got, I came slightly inside and made 3.5 finger big 2 lines. It's again a rectangle which is long like a thin stripe. Okay, and you are going to connect it from here. Diagonal line, one point you will take, diagonal line, and this kind of structure you will make. This line will come here. Okay, this kind of structure. So right now you would be thinking that what we are making actually, है ना? So see, with basic structure now, the shape which I want to create, I will not start it directly. This is a mistake which students always do. And if they want to create any diagram, but they will directly start with detailing. See, this should be your method of developing. First, you will see the basic geometric shape, its position. You will create a basic structure, and afterwards you will start your work. So see, here we are going to do the same. I will mark a line here, leaving very little space here, and this is 1.5, or bigger than 1, not or you can see, take it as half of the distance you will make, and you will make a line. Now for making Lord Ganesha, you can see we are simply using geometric shapes, and that's why it will come in category of, and we are going to make it looking beautiful with help of doodle art. Okay, so this basic structure is ready. I will take a pause of 1 minute and then I want to check the work. Okay, yes, I'll take a pause. So because students are requesting to wait, many students are showing thumb down, I will take a pause of 2 minutes and then we will move ahead. So I will return back to my story. So what happened is Siddharth was not permitted. Lord Buddha's name when he was young is Siddharth. In 18 years he left home. And Nirvan, it means almost around approximate at age of 30, I think, he got enlightenment. So now I will return back to story. So Siddharth, although was very intelligent, and King Shuddhodhan was taking good care that not even a single touch of misery or sadness should appear in front of Siddharth. Like everything was extremely happy, extremely like comfortable and luxurious. Like was taking good care that all luxury should be available. You know what, Siddharth, Prince Siddharth was having 4 different palaces for 4 different seasons. Like for rainy season, some other kind of palace, winter, some other kind of palace, sunny weather, that is summer's other. So this way, 4 different palaces were made. Can I check the work? Will you please lift up files? Yes, very good, perfect work. Chalo, so now quickly let's complete it. Now this from here you are going to make letter J. Come on, make letter J, and this is the last point. This is the last point. Now we are going to give the shape of trunk. Okay. And as students are messaging for giving full view, I will give little more bigger view. And what you will do now, this is a point, you will mark a point near, and taking a parallel line here, nicely you will make one more letter J. 2 times letter J. You can see it's looking like a pipe, and decide a point here and make it like this. Now after making this basic structure, now we will start on the detailing part. Now we will add detailing. We will give the shape of ear and all. You will develop your artwork this ways exactly, whether it is a diagram or any picture you have in your mind and you want to implement, make its rough structure and afterwards add detailing. These 2 points you will add with help of flat V, okay, flat V. You will make ears little blunt, so you will erase the corners, this corner, and I want to erase this corner also, and I will give a round shape here, this and this corner, round shape here, same here, round, slightly round shape, because you don't want rectangle, but making this shape directly would be challenging. But as we simply erase the corners and afterwards we are adding that round shape, it will come perfect, okay. So this should be your way for developing the artwork. Now slowly we will complete ears, face and everything. So here this is face and this is trunk, and now we want to connect this trunk to face. So what we will do, we will finish this ear, we will complete the basic structure of Lord Ganesha, and we will add detailing, and then we will come on doodle. Take eraser and erase the line, this line and all other lines, and connect your trunk to face. And so we draw trunk separately, face separately, and then we erase the line in between and it is connected. Okay, even this corner, this corner, you will erase and you will try to add this kind of curved line. Okay, so after making rectangle, when you will try to add this kind of things, you will find it easy to implement. Okay, so always develop your work this ways. I'll take a pause of 1 minute only, and then we will move ahead and complete face. I'll check it after this. Will you please lift up files and show me how it's looking? Yeah. Okay, perfect, absolutely perfect. Now what we will do here, we will mark a line here, okay, and you can simply go for this kind of round shape here. So these are 2 points, this is a line, I will make a C from this corner to this corner for giving it a shape of ear. And you can erase this line. So we simply gave a curved shape here, and this is, it is slightly round here and quite round here in the corner. So that rectangle is now looking like a ear perfectly. Okay? Let's add trunk, tusk. So for making tusk, what you will do, done everyone, erase everything from here. Each and every line, erase it from here. And as I'm continuously instructing you, giving instructions for this and that step, so I will take a pause for story, and afterwards when we will continue. Okay? Yes. Can I check this? Very carefully listen to the instructions and continue. Great, very good. Now mark a point here, and you will go sleeping here and you will connect to this point. This is going to be face. Here we will show for Lord Ganesha, and yes, here we have this now. We will make a drop shape here. We will make a C. We will make a C on the upper side, and this is a point already we have. You will connect. It will look like a drop shape. It will look like a drop, and okay, so you will simply make a C upper side. You will connect to this corner very carefully. See the instructions. You are going to make a line which is small, little smaller, not as big as this line is. And you will connect it here for showing the crown. Okay, you will connect it here for showing the crown. Okay, you can simply make a V upside down for the upper portion, and if you feel you want to make, I think this much is enough, or if you feel that you want to make one rectangle shape here, we can leave it. Let's make it this way only, or chalo let's make it, just make one more rectangle shape here, this kind of feather kind of look. So it will go curved from here and one straight line, and now the basic structure of the body is ready. This is going to be crown, this would be crown of Lord Ganesha. You can make it little more flat, because when you touch round, better you connect it here, your crown will look little more flat. You can give it little round shape. So now your basic structure of Lord Ganesha is ready. Let's add a tusk also. Here we will add a tusk. So for making tusk, first I will take a pause, you all finish this. So now here what you can see, here you can see now the basic framework for making patterns for mandala, like these rings is ready, and the basic framework where you are going to add your doodle is ready. So this Lord Ganesha is going to be with doodle, and this background circle is going to be with mandala. So for that basic I shall say the layout of it we need to prepare, and we were working on the same right now. Okay, let's add a tusk, but before this I want to check the work. Will you please lift up files and show me how it's looking? Now what things are similar in mandala and doodle? Let's learn this first. Okay, will you please lift up files, everyone? Everyone, shabash, it's perfectly done work. Great. Okay, chalo, so now we will add tusk and then we will start with the detailing. So what we are going to do, you will very close here, you will make a C, and like this middle space we have near trunk, we will make a C, and these are 2 points of this C. From here you will come on trunk with this kind of curved line. From both the ends you will make, and let your lines come on trunk, and all the lines which are coming in this tusk you will erase. This ways you will make this kind of shape. It's looking like a small comma shape, and if you want to add some lotus flowers, you can even add lotus flowers also. So we will complete face first, and mandala please, and materialist mandala we are going to cover next class also, if we will not find today, because this is 2-hour class. So please be ready with your brush pens, sketch pens, plastic crayons. These are the color mediums. Sketch pens also keep ready for detailing, we will use that. Okay, can I check the work now? ठीक है, a pause is needed. ठीक है, I'll take a pause. And one more thing I want to add here, and that is 2 lotus flowers. ठीक है, 2 lotus flowers also. So we will quickly add 2 lotus flowers. All of you please, everyone lift up files so that I can understand that it is going perfect. Very good, it's perfectly done work. Great. Okay? Now we will work on doodle. Now in mandala also we use different patterns. It could be ornamental, floral, lines, stripes, geometric patterns, and doodle also. But in doodle you are not bounded with parallel. You can use any pattern anywhere. Like say for ears I am going to use a floral pattern. Come on, make a line 2 times with a dot, and I want to decorate this ear with floral patterns. So in doodle you can try with floral patterns. So I will make see, this kind of patterns normally we use for mehendi. So mehendi is again what kind of doodle art only. So we try different patterns. So I will make this kind of flower. If you want to try any other flower, you can try any other kind of flower also. ठीक है. तो I will simply make one flower this corner and one flower you can add this corner. So here you will add, and here my flower will be little bigger, and this time I'm going to use number 3. 3, 3, 3. Very nicely you will make flowers, and you're going to write 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 3 times. So here what we did, we simply selected a floral pattern for decorating this beautiful ear. And we are going to decorate this beautiful ear. Yeah, let's complete this. I selected floral pattern for this. Now here if you want to use any other pattern, you can do this. But the thing which you will keep in mind is you will make it extremely neat. When you are working on detailing, if you will make lines very untidy, it will look like a mess up. So when you are adding detailed lines, make sure with patience you will make each and every shape, and you will make each and every line complete. Yeah. So here I will be making one line here, this ways, one line here, this ways, and you can simply make stripes. It could be diagonal stripes for adding more detailing to the artwork. So this middle portion we can keep plain also, and if you feel you want to add something here too, so you can add. So chalo, let's add a wavy line here with dots here. Whatever you are making, make with patience and complete it nicely. Okay? So here you can see I made ear with lovely patterns. So when you fill a particular part without being bounded in parallel stripes, it comes in category of doodle art. Okay? Is this clear? Show me your thumbs up. Is this clear? But if I will be making the same pattern in parallel form, so that will be what? Mandala. Okay? I will make a line here near, and here for making this portion I will simply use circles, and geometric shapes could be, and if any line of circle is coming here, please erase it at once. You will erase it at once, and you will write O. If you want to make it more detailed, you can make one more dot inside, and I will make only this much. And for mandala, tiny dots you can try. It's not like it should be very detailed. Some simple patterns could also be tried. So I simply made this back side portion of mukut. And for line of hair, again you will use straight lines. Make sure your each and every line should touch the corners, and it should be parallel. With lots of patience you will complete, and this ways we will complete here. Okay, and one after another we will complete it and develop it. We want to add 2 lotus flowers also, so we will add lotus flowers also. And mandala patterns, we will see if we would be having time today, we will complete that. Otherwise you will give outlines, and next class we will add pattern. Because complete 1 hour we would be having next class also. That's why we decide to devote 2 hours for completing this work, so that you can understand the difference between and you can justify with the detailing. Okay? Yes. Can I check this much? Will you please lift up files and show the work? Everyone? Great. It's beautiful. Lovely. Okay. Now what you will do? You will start with this. So this part of mukut you will add one more drop shape, and you can fill it black. And this line in front you can go again for diagonal lines. Okay, and now we are going to add different patterns for making crown. Okay, and then we are going to make eyes and tika and 2 lotus flowers. Okay, yeah. Yes, I will check this once. I will wait, take a pause for 1 minute. Then I will check this much and then we will move ahead. Okay. So what happened? This Siddharth was very kind and compassionate. He was having one cousin, Devdutt, who was not that kind and compassionate. Although Siddharth was happy inside, but every time in a deep thought. है ना? तो one day what happened suddenly? Devdutt and Siddharth, they were playing in Royal Garden, which was having a beautiful water pond also. So one beautiful Hans which was flying in sky captured the attention of Devdutt, and without thinking even for single second, Devdutt took out its barn and simply shot. And what happened, that barn, that is arrow, entered the body of this Hans, this bird, swan, and this swan fell down where Siddharth was sitting. Okay, now you are going to start with this. So here what you will do, you will make this kind of lines, and in this kind of lines you are going to make 2 lines upper side. Okay, as students are requesting for close-up view, I will give little close-up view. Okay, it will help you understanding the details nicely. If you want to go for one more line, you can go for this kind of parallel line. Then after this you will make a line, one more line, one thin line, and it is going to be quite broad. So this ways you will divide this crown in this kind of layers. So here in this again we will add some patterns, and patterns are what? Doodle art. Okay? And here you can see slowly we are developing our beautiful pattern doodle art based artwork. So when this Hans who was wounded fell near Siddharth, Siddharth immediately took this wounded swan in arms, and looking at that arrow started scolding Devdutt that why you did this, Hana, why you hit this innocent bird, you should not do this. So Devdutt came and told that give me this swan, because I simply looked at it once, and I was the one who simply send my arrow or simply hunt this swan. Okay, now here you are going to make lines again. So here you can go for this kind of spiral. For spiral you will make a circle, and where your circle finish you will make a 6. Circle 6. Circle 6. You will make this kind of spiral shape, and then you will make dots. Okay, and then here again we will add some geometric and some minute patterns, and this ways we will make our work done. Here if you want to add some other patterns you can. I will add this kind of V shape, big V shape, because in this we will add pattern. Keep your earbud also ready, with watercolors and earbud also ready next class. So we will see, if needed we will put some earbud impression for enhancing the beauty. I will draw it one more time. Okay. So here you can see, because of doodle art patterns, everything is looking so special. Circles here, and simply diagonal U shape we will write for making it looking more detailed. Okay, so I'm going to write. Okay, I'll take a pause of 1 minute. Although I'm going very slow. Yeah, okay. Now you're going to make U 3 times diagonal. And if you want to make any other flower shape or any other thing, you can add this with one line inside, just one line inside. So this is the way we completed crown and ear. Face we are going to keep simple, and we will quickly add eye and tika. Okay? And then we simply want to offer 2 flowers, lotus flowers, and this complete work would be done. In lotus also, if you want to add some doodle art patterns, you can. Otherwise, you can keep them quite simple, because we have doodle art here and a mandala art here. The lotus, if you will keep plain without any doodle or texture, it will look great. Can I check this much? Will you please lift up files and show your work? Shabash. So we add very simple patterns and this way. Now tika. So for making tika, you will come here and you can either go this way curved, or you can simply make it U-shaped. So you will simply make a letter S and a straight line, and from here a sleeping line, a standing line, this kind of curve you will make for making eyes. Okay, you will make eyes like this. So here this is looking like a standing line, this is looking like a sleeping line and curved, and same ways you will make eyes. Kind of leaf shape. So the parallel line you will make, and one leaf shape you will make with eyeball. Okay? What I did, I made a, see this is standing and sleeping line. Give a curve, one more, then connect, one more, and see. This is the way we completed eyes. Okay? We will keep it very simple to understand. And let's add 2 lotus flowers. But before this, if you feel you want to add some more lines, more detailing here, you could. If you want to go for some more doodle art, you could. But here also we are going to add mandala, so we will keep face plain. Otherwise the face will lose its importance and will get merged with designs. So as we want to keep face highlighted, so we will not add any pattern in face. Okay? Yeah. Can I check this much? Will you please lift up files and show the work? Yes, it's so beautiful and so lovely. Excellent work. Very good. Very good, and I'm very happy to see like you are able to cope up with the speed also, and patterns, like many of you tried different patterns. It's really looking great. Now what you are going to do, you will come here and mark a line. Come on, make a line. We are going to show a lotus flower now. So you will make a straight line this way, and near here you are going to make a straight line this way. This full view will help you understand where you are supposed to make lotus flower. So we will make 2 lotus flowers, and using geometric shape we completed this. Now what you will do, using this straight line, you will in center you will make you will mark a center, and it will look like a T, letter T. Using this letter T, this alphabet T, we will complete our lotus flowers. So let's add 2 lotus flowers around, and then I will tell you what homework you are supposed to finish. These are 2 points. You will simply draw a V, and using this V you will make a C, and you will connect on this simple sleeping line. You can make it little bigger as well. This is quite big, so I'm going to make it like bigger. It will look like a drop shape. And I'm going to add just 2 flowers, but if you want to add many more, you can. This is just like we want to offer lotus flowers to Lord Ganesha. And even diyas, if you want to connect it with diyas, you could connect it with diyas also. So I will simply make T upside down and simply make V shape on the top. It will help you getting the complete and beautiful exact shape of lotus flower. And then we are going to add many more. Hold your pencil loose throughout, mark 2 points, go for 2 diagonal lines, and these lines will again connect here. Come with straight line downwards and give a curve. Straight line downwards and connect. You will come straight down. You will mark one more point, straight, straight, and if you want to make one more, you can. So this is the way, keeping all the lines straight. We simply made a diagonal line, then straight line, connect to straight lines, diagonal, then straight line and connect. This is the way you will be making the upper structure of it. I will show it here one more time. Here also you will be showing the same ways. One more, and the sleeping line which we draw will help you making it perfectly. Okay, so this is the basic shape. Okay, you will erase the line here. Now you are going to add just 3 lines here. If you will come straight down, so you will make one this kind of shape and 2 more shapes, leaf shape this ways. Okay, same here, you will be making this kind of small leaf shape here and 2 more. Bas, enough. And the remaining line which is coming here of a mandala, you will erase here. Okay, you are going to erase the line here. Here it is getting connected with ear, so till ear you will make mandala, and you are going to erase the line. Erase this middle line also. The 2 flowers are ready. Okay, 2 flowers are ready, and here if you feel that so here purposely we try to make it because this lower portion of mandala we want to erase. Okay, so we want to keep this portion where this doodle art is here without any pattern, so that this doodle will get highlighted. Okay, so hold your pencil loose because we want a very flowy line. We are going to write S. Can I check this after making lotus flowers? I'll take a pause of 1 minute and then yes, I will complete. Okay, so please revise. We provide recording of every class to every child with lifetime validity. On this complete artwork, you will move your black sketch pen, okay, on rings, on each and every pattern, and very nicely, very neatly with patience. You will move your black sketch pen and keep your sketch pen colors, brush pen colors, plastic crayon colors ready for next class with along with earbud and watercolors. Okay. Although this is material required. Now see, from here you are going to make one line which should come here and S. You can show it like S, and here it will go below trunk S. Okay. So one like stick of lotus is coming here and one is here. Okay. So we will show this, and if you want to add much more you can. We will erase the line which is coming in trunk because this is back side of it. Okay. And this is the way you will complete your basic structure. So here the rings are ready and outlines you will give here, and yes, next class we will develop patterns in mandala, and we will fill colors in this complete drawing. Okay. So your homework is what? Outlines. Yeah. We will add a leafy pattern here, and if you want to show one more patterns or something else of this kind, you can. I will wait, I will check it because all children, they are continuously showing their thumb down. So I will wait for 2 to 3 minutes and make lotus, and if you have more space and you want to add more lotuses, more flowers, you can definitely add that. Okay, and in this complete drawing you will move your black sketch pen very carefully on each and every line. You will be moving it very carefully. Make sure your each and every pattern should be beautifully highlighted. No need to hurry at all. Patterns are quite minute. So very neatly you will complete your patterns. And on the rings which we made, there also you will move it. You can do it in homework, okay? So no need to do it right now. I'm simply showing what ways you will complete it. Very neat and very refined. If you are using brush pen, then very carefully use tip of it, because lines we want very not very thick lines we want. Like outline of ear, we can go for thick outline to highlight ear, but rest everywhere, even the outer shape of Lord Ganesha, we can go for thick line, so that we can highlight the basic feature and figure of Lord Ganesha. But rest everywhere you will go for very soft lines. Okay? Yes, so this you will be doing in homework, and I want to check the work. Will you please lift up files? Everyone, I want you all to lift up your files and show your work. Everyone. Yes, it's beautifully and amazingly done work, and the efforts are truly praiseworthy, and the way like how to move your sketch pen on existing lines, it would be very clear, I think. So give outlines this ways and be ready with material. Next time we will develop mandala art. So you all did excellent and amazing work, है ना? And this is the way you will complete. I will tell the material list again. We need sketch pens, colorful brush pens, plastic crayons, earbud and watercolor to add some detailings if needed, okay? So, and when you use more than one color medium, this kind of coloring technique is called mixed media coloring technique, okay? So mixed media coloring technique is excellent and very useful for creating different kind of masterpieces. And in mixed media coloring technique, you use the strength of every color at a proper place. So that's why it come up very beautifully and very effectively. Okay, this is the way you will move your sketch pen on each and every line carefully. And the circles of mandala, you can definitely go for bold lines. We learn how to make lotus. Every drawing always used to be the combination of so many drawings, and together when it come up, it comes in category of concept art, conceptual art, okay? In concept art, we have used more than two elements, more than one element in a way that it can create a concept, okay? And last but not the least, this part. I will continue my story next class and will tell you completely about Lord Buddha, as somewhere mandala is connected with that. ठीक है? Yes, And even outer circles you will make with bold lines. Only the upper portion which is left, lower side you will not go. Make sure each and every line you will be making nicely with patience, no need to hurry, and this is the way you will complete it. ठीक है? This is your artwork we learned today. We will complete it next class. ठीक है? This is the way you will complete it. So you all did excellent work, my dear children. Each and every instruction you wonderfully implement using your own creativity also, and be ready with material. Okay, we will complete it next class. So you did excellent work. Lots of blessings. I want to wind up my class also with smile. Will you please show your thumbs up with a smile? Yes. Lots of blessings. Bye bye. Take care.